In traditional property management, the math is stubborn. To add more doors to your portfolio, you have to add more people to your office. This creates a linear growth model that acts like a trap. Every time you acquire a new block of properties, the increased payroll and operational costs eat into the new revenue. Your business gets bigger, but your profit margins remain stagnant. Property managers often attribute their scaling struggles to a lack of marketing. They believe they need to buy more ads, fix their SEO, or generate more leads to reach the next level. But incoming leads are rarely the true ceiling on growth. The actual bottleneck is the physical limit on how fast a human team can process, organize, and follow up on the inquiries they already have. This timeline shows where money leaks out. It happens right here, in the gap, the window between a message arriving and a resolution. This gap expands when leasing teams are hit by Zillow inquiries, emails, and maintenance texts arriving simultaneously across different platforms. Operating inside that gap has immediate consequences. A landlord with 5 properties fills out your management form, waits 6 hours for a reply, and books a call with a competitor instead. Or a midnight maintenance request sits unread in an inbox until a minor leak becomes a major property repair. Every missed or delayed response is a lost revenue opportunity. It forces management companies into a defensive posture, where they have to hire yet another coordinator just to manage the rising volume of daily messages. The alternative is to close those operational gaps without expanding your payroll or migrating your existing property management software. You achieve this by assigning high-volume, low-leverage tasks to an AI operations assistant. This system is trained on the specific details of your portfolio, your exact brand voice, and your internal rules for when to escalate a problem to a human team member. Integrating this logic decouples your growth from your payroll, allowing your unit count to rise while your headcount remains flat. When a new owner lead submits a form on your website, the AI evaluates their portfolio details and replies with a qualified next step in 60 seconds. If a prospective renter asks about a listing, the assistant references property data, answers their specific questions, and automatically books a showing. For maintenance workflows, the system acts instantly. If a vague repair request comes in after business hours, the AI begins triage immediately. This flowchart tracks exactly what happens. The AI executes 3 automated actions simultaneously: texting the tenant for photos, classifying the urgency, and dispatching a vendor. Every detail is then seamlessly logged back into your CRM without manual data entry. Automating these specific workflows seals the operational gaps. It ensures 0 opportunities or maintenance tickets are lost to slow follow-up. When you decouple growth from payroll, the financial mechanics of your business change. A typical operator employs 5 staff members to manage 250 units. By reclaiming time spent on manual coordination, you double your team's capacity. This allows the same 5 people to manage 500 units without adding a single operations coordinator. This shift recaptures roughly 500 hours a month, previously lost to data entry, messy inbox triage, and midnight maintenance calls. Your human staff can then focus their reclaimed time exclusively on high-value interactions, like closing high-net-worth landlords and building lasting relationships with your residents. Every minute of delay between an incoming inquiry and a response acts as a rigid ceiling on your business growth. Stop hiring just to keep your inbox clean. Upnex is your practical 24/7 AI operations partner. Book a demo today to have Upnex map out your first automated workflow and discover how your specific portfolio can scale without the payroll bloat.